Hi everyone. Have a good day, have a good time guys watching my videos today. At maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood dyan. Right at the ngayong oras na to. Maraming salamat po. Nadulas yung English ko eh. Muntik nang pumasok. And ito na guys, welcome to the Disneyland Hong Kong behind. At ito po yung aking kasama. Big love shout out to you, CC, Irene CC. At dito po kami sa likod ng Disneyland. Sayang nga lang yung mga pinagdadaldal ko dito. I just realized when I got finished this video na hindi pala pwede kasi the music of the resort is all the way, I mean the whole Disneyland has all those music, lahat there, the speaker is everywhere and it's so loud. I mean it's not so loud, it is really, you know, loud enough for those people who is walking around. So thank you guys for watching. So just watch ahead. There's only few people walking around here, and yeah, it's just because of the weather. It's really hot, it's humid kind of, because it suddenly had a shade of the clouds, dark clouds, and then yeah, no sunshine, and then the heat of the sun suddenly out. I mean, bahala kayong mag-adjust sa aking English, and I'm just trying hard to, you know, but bahala na kayo dyan. Basta manood na lang kayo, at maraming salamat guys. At yan, malapit na kami sa dulo, at ito ay kulang 8 minutos lang po ito. Less 8 minutes lang po ito. So we almost there at those very end of the ewan, nag-English ulit, wala kayo dyan. So ito ako, at hindi pa naman ninyo ako nakikita dyan. So almost there, makikita na ninyo ang aking face. Pasensya po, bulol-bulolers is here. Nabubulol ako. Medyo may kalayuan pa ng konti. Kasi dyan, ginagawa po namin dyan ni Irene CC is nagtsikahan kami, oo, ng buhay ng may buhay. Hindi, charot. Yung life lang naman namin both. So yan, nag-i-interviewhan. At ito pala yung sinasabi ko sa inyong kaimito ko yan. Hindi nyo tinatanong, pero sinasabi ko kasi hindi wala kayo doon eh. Yes guys, so yeah, parang ano to bakit hindi namin ito marating-rating. Anyway, dito kasi magkaharapan kami, konting lakad, tapos magkaharapan kami, yung parang ganun. Yung seryosohang usapan kasi yung pinag-usapan namin while we are on the video, ganyan. Oo guys, kaya Irene CC, siguro pag mag-isa ka na pumunta dito if you want, and then yeah, mas magandang pero magmi-mute ka rin kasi malakas nga yung music ng Disneyland, di ba? Paulit-ulit. So here are the surroundings, and we are too close. I mean, we are too close. We are close to that very place na puntahan namin. Ayan na yung ano may pupuntahan namin, yung pier pala. Ayan na yung yung sinyal ng pier. Hindi yan halaman yan eh. Pinapakita ko lang kasi yung kulay ba. Ang dahon supposed to be green. Eh bakit siya red? Ayan na po guys. We almost there in a few steps. Nandiyan na po kami. At yan na. Taran! 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 Diba? Ang ganda po yung mga design nila dito, pero yung pier na yan, ilang taon nang nakatingga dyan, wala pa namang dumadaong na mga malalaking barko. Yung mga, basta yun na yun, yan ang mukha ko, huwag kayong magtago, huwag kayong matakot, Ayan, mga tao din naman mga yan eh. O, diba? Alam nyo ba yung mga sinyas na gano'n? Hindi, ano. So, thank you everyone for watching. Bahala na kayong mag-adjust sa voice over ko kasi nga, nakakainis. Ang dami ko ng mga salita kanina, na-realize ko na, kailangan palang i-mute, oy. So, ganyan po yung ating mga pa-view dito. At maraming salamat. Have a blessed day everyone and thank you. Bye-bye. Watch till the end po. Maraming salamat po. O, diba ang ganda.